we're screwed. The BMW 850 ADV is dead. It got altitude sickness. It's 41 degrees out here. Won't turn over.
Over 15,000 feet up.
Left it in the sun for an hour. Let's see what the dash says now. Okay, up to 51 degrees. Let's give it a try. Nope, still completely dead. We are stranded for now. Boil some water. Gotta warm up the engine block with hot water. Let's test it.
Fingers crossed.
Damn, still nothing. All right, we got the boiling water, and I got some oxygen for it too. Giving the bike CPR. Oxygen for a motorcycle? That's a first for me. It's steaming. Hey, come here and point it right at this opening.
Wait, we're really giving it oxygen.
Right into the air intake. Here, hold this for a sec. My hand can't even fit in there. When I hit the starter, spray the oxygen. Seriously, spray it? Yeah. All right, press it. It's jammed.
Hell yeah.
It was literally just gasping for air.